Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. So in this device you can see till now I didn't set any password or any screen lock. So in this video I am going to show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, again scroll down, tap on device unlock. Then tap on screen lock, and from here you can see three password type: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. So to set the pattern screen lock, select the option pattern. So to create the pattern we need to connect at least 4 dots. Okay, tap on continue. So here we need to draw the pattern, again confirm the pattern. That's it. So in case if you want to enroll your fingerprint unlock, then you can enable this one, otherwise cancel this one. So let me show you how it works. Lock the device, try to unlock, swipe up. You can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock. Draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the pattern screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.